Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Maneater game not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, crashing or black screen error on Xbox. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller and then select quit option. Finally, restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings, then choose device and connections. Click on Blu-ray, then select persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. This method is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, then select settings, then choose network settings, then click on test network connection. Wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next solution is to perform power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next is to check for Maneater updates. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after the game is updated, try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to clear cache of Maneater. For that, press Xbox guide, then click on My Games and Apps, then tap on See All option. Here search for Maneater game, then press menu, then select Manage Game and Add-ons, then tap on Save Data, then click on Reserve Space. Finally, tap on Clear Reserve Space. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next, go to Account. Click on Remove Accounts. Here, choose the account to remove and then select Remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the issue is fixed. Next is to check for Xbox update. For that, make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, then choose system and then select updates. Here, check if any update is available and then click on it to begin the updating process. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, then go to Profile and System, then click on Settings, then click on System and then click on Storage. Here, check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused tabs or game to create space. Next method is to reinstall Maneater. So if nothing works, then you should reinstall the game once. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to My Games and Apps, then select See All option. Here select Maneater game, then press menu button and then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Maneater official website and download the game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.